Hi, I'm Paul Todd, Sales Manager at Lexus Stockport, and I'm going to take you through how to set up your phone on Lexus Link and your account. So here's a few options you can do. So when you go onto your car, you get the screen and you can just press connect your account. You'll get this blue screen here, which is your Lexus Link app. Then you can go into your phone. As you can see here, you can press either of the three options you've got. You can register via plate, the QR code, or enter the VIN number. We're going to do the QR code because that is the easiest way to do it. So you click on that, then you press link on the screen. It should bring the QR code up, and then you hover your phone over that, and then the car and the phone will start talking. Then you get your terms and conditions. You want to agree to these on the screen. That's the car added to your account on the Lexus Link. We can OK that. We can give your car a nickname, so in this instance we're connecting an LBX, so we'll collect it and call it an LBX. Okay, then you've got all these sub-menus here which we need to tick to say we're having. So the standard services, we want to tick that, which is 10 years for free. Remote services, which is your remote climate control, and then your smart way of travel, so your cloud can pick up your journeys, etc. So we activate them. That is us connected. We accept all the terms and conditions then on the phone, and then we can just go to our garage. I have two cars connected, but this is the car we've just done, the blue LBX, and it will tell you your miles, your fuel, and how much range you've got in your tank. And then you can start your climate features here, so you can preheat the car, pre-cool the car in the summer and the winter. You can lock the car and unlock it, and you can turn your hazard lights on should you need to. Okay, from this bit now we are connected, but what we also need to do, because this has your data, there is 3 technical passwords that we need to add. So we go onto the screen, we make sure that Lexus Stockport's there, which is your profile. This will come up as your name. So if I was doing this as my own personal car, it would say Paul Todd. Click on personal information, and then these are your passwords. So bear in mind, you never need to put your password in. So it needs to have a link device, which is via Bluetooth, which I'll show you in a moment. It will link a key, which I've got on me, so just make sure you do have only the one key in the car at the time. So we just click that, and that's on. And then we've got facial recognition, so we can set that up. So we click on that, we accept the terms and conditions, we begin, and we just look forward at the facial recognition pod here on the top of the steering wheel. And that is now connected. Okay, now what we're going to do is connect the Bluetooth device. So we link that, we go into the Bluetooth on your phone, and we scan for the Bluetooth, and then we've got Lexus at the bottom here. It'll come up with a pairing code, just need to make sure these are correct. And we OK on the screen and pair on your phone. And then you allow everything to come through. And that's it done. Okay, now your phone's connected, you can press the settings cog at the bottom right of the screen, and then you can press personal info, and this will then show you everything connected. So these are your passwords when you get in your car. You've got your face, your link key, and your phone. And every time you get in, it will now come up with Lexus Stockport profile, or Lexus sales profile. If it ever doesn't, you have 2 things here. It'll come up as Lexus, or it'll come up as guest, and then the profile will be below. So if we ever get in the car and it comes up as guest, don't worry, you press the cog in the bottom right hand side of the screen, and then this will bring up the profile. You put current driver is guest. Then what we need to do is click on us as the profile. It'll bring up this screen, and then it will ask you for your password. You'll enter your password in there. That will load the profile, and then you are connected back again. What you also just need to check, if it does ever kick you out, is just to make sure that all your passwords have been entered correctly and are still there and present. So if you lent your car to somebody, or somebody was just driving it because you lent it to them, it will kick you out because this is your data. So it needs to make sure that these passwords are in, so nobody else can use your data as it is yours. Other than that, there should be no real issues with linking your Lexus Link Plus account to your phone and to your car. If you need anything more, you can contact us directly. If not, hopefully have good times with it and let us know. Thank you very much.